Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on POCO M4. So you have to start with opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and click on settings. Now click on Google Assistant and here you have Hey Google and voice match option, and now click here to enable Hey Google function. Now click more, now click I agree, now click more and I agree. Now click continue. And now click on voice model and click retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click finish. Now you can click back and click back again, and now click on lock screen, click yes I'm in, and make sure that this first option is on. So now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Hey Google. And as you can see, my assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.